Hi there, I'm Jamie, and today we're going to be unboxing some succulents. I got them right here in this here box. See, from Mountain Crest Gardens. Let's read the instructions. Please remove crinkle paper carefully. Okay, let's get to work. Got my knife. Okay, let's first look and see what they sent us in terms of documentation. We've got this look inside book. Unpack plants immediately. Water if soil is dry. Protect from heavy rain, extreme temperatures, full sun. Plants need 4 to 7 days to recover from their long trip. And there's information about repotting, broken leaves, airflow, water, roots. It's good, it's good. Wow, there's a whole flow chart here. Wonderful, wonderful. And let's see what we ordered. We've got the Tephrocarpus articulatus variety inermis pine cone cactus. Oh, cool. Mystery monster cactus. And I can't read all that stuff. Let's get to work. All right. Let's see what we have here. This is probably the pine cone cactus. Nope. This is, oh, you know what this is? This is, I have mystery cactus, mystery crassula, mystery haworthia, and mystery jade. This is, looks like a mix of things actually. Oh, they are in little pots, so. Very dry. Ooh, that's nice. That's good. Okay, well. The mystery jade is probably this one. This says rosary vine. This one is sand rose. Oh, that's nice. Mystery vine. This must be the mystery vine. And I'm missing one label. Oh, look, there's a dead fly. All right, let's go for this large one. This must be the mystery cactus. Yes, sharp. It's something sharp. It is, ooh. I don't know if this is the mystery monster cactus. You know, this one, oh, there are multiple things in here. I'm gonna have to get my gloves for this one because it's full of cacti. Here, oh, that's unfortunate. This is the mystery haworthia, which I have multiples of these, so that's not very exciting. Let's make sure this is in here. Oh, this is for my sister. This is the split rock My sister loves these, so I bought her one. Check it out, it's gorgeous. I love these too. But I plant outdoors and the snails also love these. But the snails love them to eat. So I can't plant these outside. You know what? I'm gonna plant one indoors because they're so gorgeous. Let's make sure there's nothing left in here. No, that's everything. I should grab my gloves, but instead, because I want you to enjoy this video, I'm just going to handle this very carefully. This is stupid because there are actually remnants of cactus embedded in these styrofoam chips. So don't try this at home, kids. This one's gorgeous. I think that's the mystery. This is the pine cone over here. The pine cone. This is good stuff. I'm happy with these. I'm gonna pause. Oh, you know what I could do? I could just open up the box. And then okay, so here we have the pine cone. Very long. I'm gonna have to do some cleanup in a minute. And here we have the monster cactus. It doesn't say what it is, but it's a beauty. I'm really happy with that. And finally, we have one more mystery cactus that is a duplicate. But that'll be very nice. All right. That's those are my succulents. I'm gonna go plant them now.